Hello, hello. Mko aje? Tuko poa. Ama niko poa? Hey, guess what the day is? Tunaingia December. So, we are having a photo shoot day for the family for the first time. I know it sounds like something fancy, but we are trying to do it as simple as we can. You know, when I say simple, I mean like no studio, no professional camera person, no big cameras or the lights. We're going to do it in our house in the simplest way, but in an intentional way, intimate way. Yeah. Let's see how it's going to work out. Yeah, for memories, you don't have to attach vitu zote kwa do ati unatamani kufanya kitu but kuzuna pesa you forgo it. No. Work with what you have. You might find that inakaa poa than the other one that you have to spend money. Sababu uko comfortable, uko in a familiar space, watu wako around you, they are familiar people, so maybe the poses, you're comfortable with the poses. Na vitu mingi. Let's see how itatokea. Mtaiona venye itakuwa like in the process. Hello, meet my stylist of the day, my everything, my photographer, my stylist, my babysitter, everything.
He's the baby.
The baby is here. Let's see how we can do things with her around.
You have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go?
You want to see the outcome? Okay, here we go.
The other side.
Next client. Next client.
Look, who is this? Who is this?
You have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go?
process inaendelea bado. Fingers crossed alale niweze continue to prepare. Bado sijajipaka makeup. I'm not a professional but I can do something. Yeah, anakaa poa. She's ready. Yeah, in a minute. See you. Unajua najiona hapo kwa kamera. Guys, beginners like me, I know you don't have all the products. So we work with what we have and do it the same way I do it other days. So let's see how it will turn out. Brown eye pencil and try to guys, you said this is for millennials or for Gen Zs? We'll start with drawing the eyebrows. Okay, the next one. It's supposed to be cousins or sisters. Remind me. Oh my god. Guys, I'm not a professional. We say it's a photo shoot on budget. Zero budget. I don't know how this step is called, but I'm using foundation. I find my concealer too light. Guys, play for me. It's in the vision. The same thing I've done for this one. I'll do for that one. Guys, tu niwaambie, usikose kufanya kitu unapenda. Ati kuna kitu fulani inakuzuia. Anything that makes you happy, do it. In foundation, I'm not going to follow all those steps when you from the video. Nimesema nitafanya vile nafanyanga. So the blender, I'm blending the foundation. Like siku nilipanga nilipata nzuri like my baby girl. Nikasema end year almost her birthday. Tutafanya photoshoot. Nikaipanga like venye tutafanya, tutaenda kwa studio, nipate makeup, nini nikuwe nimepanga outfits. Si mnajua hizo processes za kwenda studio kupigwa picha professional. So hizo plans zote nilikuwa nazo na I was really looking forward. But things happen in life guys. Unajua venye kwenda viko. Tumepanga unapata biashara haziendi sawa. Tumilango fulani tumefungika. Natoa red. Go. Okay, guys, the outcome. Time to dress up. See you. Hey, watu wangu nishavaa. Lakini mkijua ni saa ngapi? Imagine it's 3:24. Hatujaanza. Na mtu mwenye ako part of this photo shoot, she's sleeping. Hebu mniambie hapo chini mnafanyanga aje mkienda shoot na watoto. Koza hii na imagine tungekuwa kwa studio ashalala, ni picha zingesimama kwanza, ni yeye angelala kwanza. I don't get it. Koza hii itabidi nimemwamsha cause nahitaji kutumia light ya nje cause ndio at least picha zikae poa. Although pia mi nimetake long prepare, you know, niko hapa, niko pale, nashughulikia mtoi. Anyway, but tunaendelea poa, tunaendelea vizuri. Importance ya kufanyia kwa hao, si mnaiona? Hey, edges lazima. Edges ndio zina determine hiyo style imetokea aje. So let's lay the edges. Baby hairs nazo ziko ama ni za kuomba guys, mnaona aje? Breastfeeding pia imefanya ile kitu. So we work with what has remained. Sijua mnangoja kuona final reveal. Stylist wangu ako aje? Si mnaweza mpea kazi? Yay.
Both sides.
You have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go?
And the man of the house is here. Kwenye video. Family ni ya watu wangapi? Father, mother, children. Tuko na child. How do I look?
Awesome.
Ako shy guys. Ako shy. Sini. Yay! It's time. Time to start. Cynthia, say hi. Hi, hi. So, finally, the family is here now.
Yeah.
The three of us. We want to start with the photos. The theme was denim, like blue denim and white tops. But now for babe, hatujapata trouser yenye ina match this color. Kona denim but si za hii color. So this shirt ina complement hiyo color. So blue denim and white is the theme. Yeah.
Simon.
Yeah, YouTube.
Mama.
Go.
The photoshoot bado inaendelea lakini ni hustle. Mtoto anataka Kokomelo nicheze kwa background, haangalii kamera. Yo. Hey, commercial break. First outfit done. Lakini kudeal na msee hapa. On to our next outfit. We are doing nude color. We have brown. This color is beige, kama. Yeah, nude.
Ni proof. Hii mweke kwa hiyo video.
Where it's tough doing things with a baby. It was a success, but Kwa nini ya mwisho amekataa kabisa, amelia, hapose. Hey, nimewaambia ilikuwa ngumu. Sijui hata ingekuwa more than 2 outfits kama atunge make. Ni kama hata imeniprovia I didn't need a studio. Anyway, I'm happy. I will attach the photos at the end. Muone venye zimetokea. You can try it at home also. Acheni niwaonyeshe huyu sumbua. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to people. Say hi. Thank you, Mr. Man, for being part of this photo shoot. And not thank you. Bye, guys.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.